Welcome to Ate Joy 721.
One Mustang. I don't know about you, but there's nothing that sounds like a Rolls Royce My Crazy Horse 2 is the aircraft that Lee is flying tonight. It's actually a TF-51 Mustang, which was the last designation given to the Mustang series, which stands for Trainer Fighter. It is also painted in the colors of the 487th Fighter Squadron of the 352nd Fighter Group, which was based out of Osh, Belgium in 1944. Now as Lee comes back down, he will position himself to go into the loop. This year we have something other special going on. We're actually at Area 51. That's where we're based out of in Kissimmee, Florida. We're actually celebrating our 35th year being in business. So this is very special to us, being at SUNFUN with all of you here. We've been here, Area 51 has been here every single year of those 35 years. And I know SUNFUN is celebrating their 48th year this year. So now as Lee comes back through, he's going to be doing the inverted pass. Due to the oil pressure, the airplane can only be inverted for 10 seconds, and of course Lee never reaches that, so let's count as he comes by. Currently is their chief flight instructor and demonstration pilot for Stallion 51, based out of the city of Florida.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button.